Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV lease return inspection using Carvana checklist, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your EV lease return inspection using the Carvana checklist, begin by gathering all necessary documentation related to your lease. Ensure you have your lease agreement, maintenance records, and any previous inspection reports readily available. Next, familiarize yourself with the Carvana checklist for EV lease returns. This checklist will serve as your guide to identify any repairs or maintenance needed on your vehicle. Begin the inspection by visually assessing the exterior of your EV. Look for any noticeable scratches, dents, or other damages. Document these issues for reference. Next, check the condition of your tires. Ensure they have adequate tread depth and are inflated to the recommended pressure. Inspect the interior of the vehicle. Look for any stains, tears, or other signs of wear and tear. Clean the interior thoroughly, focusing on carpets, seats, and the dashboard. Now, move on to the under-the-hood inspection. Check fluid levels, including oil, coolant, and brake fluid. Make sure to top off any low fluids. Inspect the battery connections for corrosion. Next, activate all electronic components within the vehicle. Ensure that the headlights, taillights, and turn signals function properly. Check the infotainment system and any other technology features. After completing the visual inspection, address any minor repairs. Fix small scratches with touch-up paint or consider using a professional service for larger damages. Schedule any required maintenance with a qualified technician if needed. Once repairs are completed, take your EV for a test drive. Ensure that it is running smoothly and that there are no warning lights indicating issues. Finally, revisit the Carvana checklist to confirm that all items have been addressed. Once satisfied with the condition of your vehicle, prepare for the return inspection. Make sure to gather all keys, accessories, and the original charger for your EV. Now your vehicle is ready for the lease return inspection with Carvana. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.